my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to prepare you Arabic coffee and I would love to invite you to my house for a coffee. So we're going to start. What we need is a coffee pot. This came from Armenia, a present for me. It says Hayastan, which it means Armenia. It says in English and it says in Armenian. What we need is a coffee cup. This is the coffee that we drink with. We need, because it's only for one person, I'm going to make for myself. It's early in the morning. What we need is 1 cup of water. Here we need a sugar. We need the coffee. The coffee, it's grinded just like a powder. You can get from Middle Eastern market, they do it. And what we need is cardamom. Cardamom, you've seen it in Indian dishes plenty, or different kind of dishes people they use. And this one, we use it for coffee. Some people they like, some they don't, but it gives very good taste and good smell. So what you have to do, the cardamom, you have to crack it, just like this. You crack it, you take the seeds out. Oops, we dropped it, but it's okay. Here is the pods. It's black, white seeds there is in it. Here we go. All right. There you go. You put the skin away. And for one person, let's say 5 or 4 people are going to drink coffee, this much coffee pot, it's enough for one. You can just grind it. You can, with the mortar, you can crush it a little bit. You don't have to make it like a sand. Just crush a little bit so the smell, the odor, the taste will come out. So now I already did here grind it. Now what we have to do is we're going to make the coffee. I'm a little bit impatient. Every morning what I do, I take the metal out and I put my coffee, the pot on the stove. So, and it prepares it very quickly this way. It warms the water quicker. So now, some people, they love to drink bitter. It means with no sugar. Some they like medium and some they like sweet. If they want sweet, you'll put about 1 teaspoon. If they say middle, I want medium, you'll put half. If they don't like it, you'll just put the coffee itself. A lot of time when I make my coffee, after I put my coffee in it, starts to boil, I put half a teaspoon of honey that I prepare this from my honeycombs, from my honeybees. So now already the coffee will warm it, the water will warm it very quickly. For me, for now, I'm going to make the real coffee. So what you do, less than a half sugar I'm going to put. And then we're going to need 1 cup. Let's get our cardamom. We'll put very, very little cardamom. Like I said, for 5 people, you can do 1 cardamom or 2, doesn't matter, but it gives very good taste and a smell. So I'm going to put that in the water to boil. Don't let it boil too much because the water, it will evaporate. And now the coffee, we need at least easy 1 teaspoonful. And when you put it, do not leave alone. You mix it and you stay, because the coffee, it's going to boil over and it's going to pour on your stove. It's going to make it dirty. Just mix it, hold it. If you like foam on your coffee, you don't have to boil for a long time. But if you don't like it, you can boil it so the foam will go away. A lot of people, they like to drink, let me show you, with the foam white like this on top. And some of them, they let it boil for a couple seconds. And then we turn it off. Now that you see it came up, it means the coffee is ready. And you pour it in your coffee, like the coffee cup. There you go. When you put it very slowly, the mud stays under. Now, when you're drinking your coffee, if you never drank this before, you drink this very slowly, and then you will see the coffee, the mud, the powder, it rests, it stays under. So you can just drink the liquid coffee and it will give you a lot of energy. First, God gives you energy and then the coffee. And this coffee will offer to our guests with the cookie, with sweet, with baklava, with anything. They will enjoy it. So I hope you try this coffee and you'll enjoy it. And let me see how good it is. I have to say that the cardamom with the coffee, it tastes very, very delicious. I hope you buy this, you'll try it. Even if you don't have cardamom, you don't try it. First try this without cardamom and you will see how tasty it is. So this is my morning coffee, 1 cup a day. It's good enough. Thank you very much for watching. If you like it, please subscribe and like, and go on my videos. There's plenty interesting shows for you. You might be able to use it. I thank you again. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.